John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading. Today we're looking at Chevron CVX, Chevron Oil Company. In any case, we're looking at Chevron back here, and on July 23rd, we put in a pivot high. Then we put another one in July 31st, and if you draw a line connecting those two, you end up with this line. And look, today, we just ran into that line once again. So we're right up against that. We actually broke it by a little bit. So if we can break above that line, there's a possibility that we could see a really nice run higher. So ultimately, we'd be looking for it to get above this high right here, and that's at 197.69, a little bit above where we are right now. Now, if you look very closely, you'll see that when we pushed higher here, we actually are below that today. Now, I don't know where we're going to close today. We're currently at 196.65. And it's at 3:03 in the afternoon, so there's a little less than an hour left in today's market. But if we end up closing with a high that is either less than or equal to the previous bar's high, which is up at 197.40, then we'll have an opportunity of what we call a very quick bull flag. A little different than the standard flag that you have. But at Basecamp Trading, we have a little special bull flag that's great for breakouts. Now, normally we would wait for it to break above this line, but you can see we've already broken that line, so we've weakened it. And the line that I'm talking about is this one right here, this older one, this one. So when we break out, we're looking to get through this pivot and then this pivot. And in this case, there's a pivot. If we go all the way back here, we have a pivot over here at May 19th, and that was up at 198.87. So ultimately, we'd like to see it get through there. So we may see us move up. We could go up and test some of these resistances right here, or even the 198.87. But with all that being said, if we can get a little bit of momentum going here, and momentum is trying to push forward, we can see if we can get above that 198.87, and if so, we could run all the way to the next pivot, and that would take us to the all-time high up at 214.71, and that would be a nice run. Now, there's another round number in here, which is 200.00, and that's going to be in here somewhere. That may cause a little bit of trouble on the way up, but that's another one. Again, if we can get above that, then there's nothing really stopping us. Even here, this isn't really a well-defined resistance, so there's a chance that this could follow through and run all the way up to 214.71. A lot of ifs in here, a lot of opportunities, but it's interesting to watch, and now we have a plan for how we might address it. So again, breaking this trend line, breaking through these two pivots, then through this pivot, maybe through that 200. And if we get through all that, then we'd be looking for a run higher to the all-time high up at 214.71. That would be great. If you like this kind of analysis, check out the information in the comments below to see how you can try it out for 30 days.